Monday, January 13th, 1943. Dear Kitty, everything has upset me again this morning, so I wasn't able to finish a single thing properly. It's terrible upset. Day and night, more for those poor miserable people being dragged off with nothing but a little money. On the way they've deprived, even the worst, their possessions. Families are torn apart. Men and women and children are being separated. Children coming home from school find their parents have disappeared. Women running from shopping to find their homes shut and their families gone. The Dutch people are too anxious too. Their sons are being sent to Germany. Everyone is afraid. And every night hundreds of planes fly over Holland to go to German towns, and the earth is piled up by their bombs, and every hour hundreds and thousands of people are killed in Russia and Africa. No one is able to keep out of it. The whole globe is waging war, and although it's going better for the Allies, the end is not in sight yet. And for all of us, we are fortunate, yes, we are luckier than millions of people. It is quiet and safe here, and we are, so to speak, living on capital. We are even so selfish as to talk about the after-war, brighten up the thought of having new clothes, new shoes, whereas the really ought to save every penny to help people and save what is left from the wreckage of the war. The children here are running about in thin blouses and clogs, no coat, no hat, no stocking, and no one helps them. Their tummies are empty. They chew through their old carrots and save through their pangs and go to cold homes and into the cold streets where they get to school, find themselves even colder in the classroom. Yes, it has even got so bad in Holland that countless children stop the passenger by and beg for a piece of bread. I could go on for hours about all the suffering the war has brought, but then I would only make myself more dejected. There is nothing we can do but wait calmly as we can until the misery comes to an end. Jews and Christians wait,